welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to start selling digital products through digital marketing. Now y'all know I typically talk about trading and investing, but I got a couple messages and questions about other ways to make money online. People want to know how they can supplement their income, create an additional stream, or how they can replace their 9-to-5 job altogether. And I get it, people were saying investing takes a long time and trading takes years to fully master it. Are there any other ways to make money a little faster? And the answer is yes. So I wanted to make this video discussing how digital products are lucrative and can serve as an additional stream of income because it's honestly one of the easier ways to earn money passively. Now to start, I want to clear up a big misconception, and it's the thought that you need a large following to get started with digital marketing. And let me be the first to tell you, you do not need thousands of followers or subscribers to begin selling digital products. So y'all can see I have a screenshot of my business page on the right side of the screen, and you see the page has less than 100 followers, but I've managed to reach 4.2K accounts in the last 30 days. So I'm showing this to prove that you do not need thousands of subscribers or followers to reach thousands of people. So y'all can clearly see the impact of accounts reached with only 15 posts. The reason being is because selling digital products is not a popularity contest. It's about people seeing the value in what you provide. Now, the reason the following count is so low is because I'm not consistent with posting. I can admit that. But the point remains, being able to reach over 4,000 people is pretty significant for the page to be as small as it is. So I say all that to say, y'all don't be afraid to try something new. Don't let the fear of being seen try and hold you back. Like, this year is almost over. If you haven't started a project that you initially set out to do, or if you haven't completed a task that you planned in the beginning of the year, or even if you had a game plan to start something new this year and you haven't done it yet, please don't let time pass you by. You just never know what can happen. So if you've never looked into digital marketing, don't be afraid to start, even if it's with a small idea or if you're selling just one product as a side hustle. At least it's a start. So that's just my little sidebar for those who need a clear sign to begin their journey. Just don't hesitate to bank on yourself. But yeah, getting back to it, when starting a digital product business, it is a good recommendation to first choose a niche. So this may take some time to consider, but you want to make sure that your specialty is highly searchable and is relevant in a particular industry. So for example, we know that there are always going to be people searching for ways to make money online, or how to start a business, or how to make passive income. These are very highly searched topics because they're evergreen. So choosing a niche that is popular and provides value to people is the winning formula to selling digital products. But keep in mind what your talents and gifts are. For instance, if you know you're really good at drawing or you have a passion for art, you can share the information with people and monetize it in the process. So all in all, when determining your niche, just make sure to do some research on your target audience to understand their needs as it fits your specialty. Okay, so once you've established your niche, you then want to create your digital product. This entails a ton of different options. You can sell ebooks, instructional guides, planners, courses, a masterclass, webinars in the form of a digital download, even resume templates, and the list goes on and on. But the main thing to focus on when creating your digital product is that it must provide your audience value. You want to make sure that the content is top tier, engaging, and fully functional so that people are willing to want to make a purchase. Now, in regards to this, you may decide to sell your own self-created product, or you may want to sell DFY content, which is a done-for-you digital product, which then brings up PLR and MRR. So PLR stands for private label rights, and these are pre-made products that can be rebranded. MRR stands for master resale rights, and these are products that allow you to resell and in turn grant others the right to resell the product as well. Now, both are good options if you don't want to fully do the work of creating a brand new product, because you can simply use a ready-made version of someone else's design. There are people who have mixed feelings about this, but it's completely your choice on how you do it. I say just make sure you do thorough research before fully investing in PLR and MRR products, because some of them can be a bit pricey, so you always want to make sure that you're getting your money's worth. Okay, so now the next step is choosing a site to sell your product on. You want to ensure that you choose the right format that aligns with the type of content you're selling and it's convenient for your audience. So sites like Shopify, Squarespace, and StanStore are pretty good options. They all offer a free trial service, so you can test out which platform you feel works best for you, and then from there you can pay the monthly or yearly subscription fee. Store, I believe, is about $29 a month. Shopify is also in the same range depending on the tier. And Squarespace is about $23 a month for the basic business plan, if I'm not mistaken. And the prices as they match each site's features will vary as expected. But I don't want to fail to mention that Ecwid offers a free version of their site. The only downside to this is that your URL domain will have the words company site in it because it's the free version. But if you upgrade, you can easily change it and have those words removed. Now with that, it's also important to pre-plan the item type of your digital product. So you want to look into selling either low ticket, mid ticket, or high ticket items, or a combination of the three. And generally, low ticket items are priced under $50, while mid ticket items are in the range of a few hundred, and high ticket items are typically $1,000 and above. What's good to keep in mind about high ticket items is that because they require a significant investment, they should have a very strong value proposition because high ticket items can easily help you secure a core audience, and that's when you can build longevity. And that goes back to what I was saying, that probably the most important aspect of selling digital products is the value that you provide. Because people know quality content when they hear or see it. There's really no second guessing on that. So when you offer your audience top tier and premium content, they'll be more likely to trust your brand and support you long term. So when considering low, mid, and high ticket products, just keep in mind what you select as the premium product because this will likely be the difference maker. And it helps legitimize and progressively build your brand to fully maximize potential revenue. Now, not taking anything away from low ticket items because they are great to help build your email marketing list. So personally speaking, what I've learned is to combine all three because it provides a variety for the audience. But as mentioned, the primary focus is more on the impact of what is being sold rather than just the product itself, because people will organically be drawn to you based on what you provide. Alright, so in regards to developing your pricing strategy, you want to make sure that the prices make sense for your niche. Definitely want to keep your prices competitive, but also reasonable for your target audience. So some of the things to consider is if you'll provide bundle deals or specials, or if you offer tier levels to cater to various income levels of your audience. And you can list add-ons to incentivize your offers, but just make sure you're strategic when doing so. And in reference to sales flow optimization, the focus is always improving your conversion rates and your RPV, which stands for revenue per visit on your site. Another good idea is to make sure that the checkout process is streamlined because we've all been in a situation where you have your card out ready to make a purchase and you have the information auto-populated, but the checkout process for whatever reason just takes too long or the page loads slow and it ends up deterring you from actually making a purchase. So just make sure that's not the case for your site. Okay, so the final step is marketing. And this can be reordered to be the first step because if you're going to sell a digital product, you certainly want to market the content prior to its release. So developing a marketing strategy is so important. And of course, as we know, social media is one way on how you can generate lead magnets because there's no better place to market your digital product than online. So it goes without saying that the content should be engaging to attract potential buyers and to drive traffic to your website. And this is accomplished through consistent posting, which I need to get better at. But you want to use strategies like optimizing SEO, which is the search engine optimization, and you can do promo, place advertisements if you feel the need to do so, or choose to use the trendy features on social media to help generate sales. And by highlighting the unique features or benefits of your digital product, this helps to further attract your core audience. It's also a good tip to try and automate as much as your marketing channels as possible. Additionally, when it comes to marketing your product, make sure your branding is on point. For me, I know that colorways make a huge difference. People want the product to not only have value, but to be visually appealing as well. So it speaks to the fact that if you've ever gotten a package in the mail and you like the look of the exterior and you think it's really nice packaging, you'll think, I like the way that they presented this. Same thing with digital marketing. The look of the digital product really does matter, so be very intentional about the color palette selection due to branding purposes. So yeah, just make sure you choose appealing colors. Along with that, scaling your business is all about leveraging your content. You can build such a huge network that your customers can actually become co-creators because we've seen this happen time and time again. And this just broadens your audience. So yeah, if any of y'all are entrepreneurs and you have your own business, y'all let me know so I can check it out and support your brand. And if you already started selling digital products, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts. And with that, that'll pretty much do it for this video. If you found this information to be helpful, feel free to leave a comment down below as well. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.